Today we're gonna make a twist on traditional loukoumades. We're gonna fill them with strawberry jam and hot fudge. We have our oil nice and hot. We're gonna take the dough right between our hands, squeeze that a little bit, and then you can get the spoon right from the top and make a little ball. We fried up our loukoumades. They look delicious. So our little twist, we're gonna fill them with, I have some strawberry jelly and I have hot fudge. So we're gonna take them nice and hot. I'm gonna put a little hole in the middle with a knife. I'm gonna poke the hole in each one. This big guy here, I'm gonna poke the hole a little bigger. I'm not going all the way through. So that way there's a hole in each one. Now, you're gonna take your favorite topping. So here I have hot fudge. I'm gonna cut the bottom of this piping bag. And I filled that with hot fudge inside. Put that one on the side. I'm gonna do a couple of each. And this is a nice little twist to normal loukoumades. You can feel when you're squeezing them, you can see that it's coming into the inside. And squeeze that hot fudge in there. Oh my God, look at that. Amazing. You can even see it's filled in there. So now I'm gonna try jelly. It's like a little jelly donut. You can see how much it's filling up. Look how delicious these are. You can do a different variety. You can fill these with any different kinds of jams you like. Chocolate, of course, is gonna be my favorite, but for the full recipe, link here so that you can get the loukoumade recipe, and then follow this video so you can see how I filled these with different toppings. For the full recipe, visit nikkikleckis.com. Don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for my must-haves.